What's up, y'all? This is Mag 1381 Entertainment!
Some humiliation. Anyway, what's going on, guys? Mag 1381, and yeah, we caught them. They finally owned up to their mistakes. Freaking goof number 1 and goof number 2. Look, little kids, guys.
How you doing?
Their appliances are like way dickered. So anyway, he's got a dirt bike. He's gonna ride around and stuff. So yep, well, we caught him. So we're gonna have an interview with the man himself. Why'd you do it, son? He's stupid. That's why.
Yeah.